ka North East Student Union ha ka sngiding kong kala pelong ya ka jingshong klai mongor ha ki jilla ka nie ka than shatai la mingi ban penbor ya ka sorkar ban shna no de ki an ki baklan ban khanglad ya ka jingwan rung kertham ki menderi shakini ki than shatai la mingi ka long ba shlong ya ka ni ka program la pelong da ka Khasi Student Union ha ringkat lang bat ki wei ki seng balang ha ka ba ka ni ka jingshong klai mongor kala long ha kendai la ne du ka por khat arbaji no phai sngi ha du ka por lai baji janmien ha ba kren chila pathai ku bor u chairman ka North East Student Union uba Samuel B Jerwa u roong ba ka ni ka jing hi ba jarjar ka long ba ne shimenta lang bat baro ki jela ka ni ka than shatai la mingi ka long ban penbor ya ka sarkar jela bat ka sarkar padeng ban te la kam ya ka jingwan rung kertham ki poi e da ka bashnai ki an ban khanglad ya ka jingwan rung laitlan ki menderi uliat hu ru ba mentri rang ba du kari umudi ha ka jingran ha ka singi laitlot ha port Delhi ula penpau ya ke jingma na ke jingkala dur kari na ke jingwan rung to ki briu ki bana kari Bangladesh kumta ula kentu ke sarkar jela bat sarkar pedeng ban shim kha bha ya ke ni ke jing e bala mat ha ke ni ke than shatai la mingi ha ke ni ke sngi la don ru ke jingra plakat bat ke jinge shim benta ki dukhan na ki seng bhalang pher
August 2025 is part of the program of the Northeastern Organization in the whole of the Northeastern region in all the state capitals where we have a certain strike to pressurize the state governments and also the government of India to take note of this very, very serious issue that has been plaguing the Northeastern region for so many years now, since independence. And we have faced this problem of illegal immigration of people from across the border, especially from Bangladesh to the different states of the northeastern region. And we have seen the situation in Tripura, we have seen now the situation in Assam, and even in Meghalaya. We have witnessed so many upheavals and people's movement against this infiltration of people from Bangladesh. So this sit-in strike is a call to the government of India and also to the state governments of the different states of the northeastern region to take note of this very serious issue and to take proactive actions on the ground to stop this illegal infiltration.
Well, one-day strike, how this is going to help? What will be your next course of action?
Well, we hope that the governments at the center and the states are responsible governments. And even a strike of 1 hour or even a strike of 10 days, I think it will not make any difference to them if they are responsible enough for the welfare and protection of the indigenous peoples of the different states of the northeastern region. And as we have seen, on the 15th of August 2025, the Prime Minister of India has recognized the gravity of the issue, in which he has stated that the demography of the country, and especially we think the northeastern region, has been affected because of this large-scale illegal immigration from Bangladesh. So we hope that the government of India, in which the Prime Minister has acknowledged this grave issue, we hope that the government of India will take concrete steps on the ground so as to protect the welfare of the indigenous peoples of the northeastern region.
What is the next action plan?
Our next action plan, we will have a meeting, and if there's any program to be held, we will let all of you know.
Assam, coming to Meghalaya, you have seen the centre and the state government has been not taking proactive steps regarding the implementation of ILP. How do you view on this?
Well, you see, the issue of ILP is a very old issue in which the Khasi Student Union has been demanding since 1983. But sadly and unfortunately, the government of India and also the successive central governments have not implemented the underlying permit in the different states of the northeastern region and also in the state of Meghalaya.